Welcome Bila Wanita event 3rd anniversary respect. Tunjukkan penampilan terbaik kalian and good luck.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this treasure hunter. How many wonders can one keep one heart? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I got gadget and gizmos aplenty. I got who's it and what's it color. You wanna think about? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around others. What do you call them? Oh, flipping your feet shouldn't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along the road. What about the game? Street, or where they walk, or where they run, or where they stay all day in the sun. Wondering free, wish I could be out of that world. What would I give if I could live out of this world? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? With gentlemen, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Break young women, say how swimming